Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious burgers on a charcoal grill. First, select ground beef with an 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio for optimal flavor and juiciness. Form your patties to about 3/4 of an inch thick, pressing a small dimple in the center to prevent bulging. Next, arrange your charcoal for two-zone cooking, creating a hot side for searing and a cooler side for finishing. This setup is key for perfectly cooked burgers. Once your grill is hot, around 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to sear. Place your burger patties directly over the hot coals. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes to develop a beautiful, flavorful crust. Remember, resist the urge to press down on the burgers, as this squeezes out the delicious juices. Flip them only once to ensure that perfect sear. After searing, move your burgers to the indirect heat zone to finish cooking through. This prevents burning while ensuring even doneness. Use a meat thermometer inserted into the side of a patty for an accurate reading. For a medium-rare burger, aim for 135 degrees Fahrenheit. For well done, cook to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This step ensures your burgers are cooked exactly how you like them. Once cooked to your desired doneness, remove the burgers from the grill and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful burger. While they rest, quickly toast your buns on the grill for added texture and flavor. Then, assemble your delicious charcoal-grilled burgers with all your favorite toppings and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.